federal judge in Lincoln ordered former Omaha City Councilman Vinny Palermo back to the Saunders County Jail this afternoon.
As Brian Mastery reports, the judge told Palermo she doesn't consider him a flight risk, but indicated she's more comfortable with him in jail, with no means to obstruct justice.
This afternoon, a federal judge here in Lincoln ordered former Omaha City Councilman Vinny Palermo back to jail in Wahoo. His attorney was hoping to get him out before he's sentenced for one count of wire fraud in November, but the judge wasn't having any of that.
Vinny Palermo's legal team offered a variety of alternatives to detention, such as GPS monitoring, a phone log, but the judge said probation isn't equipped to handle that, so she ordered him back to jail until he's sentenced in November. Palermo was disappointed. The family there to support him gasped when they heard the judge's ruling.
And they gasped because they're his family and they're hurting, and they really thought that at least at a very minimum he would have the ability to get out and see his 5-year-old son, see his other 3 children, attend to his business, all those things that we take for granted every day. He hasn't been able to do those, and those were just immediately and abruptly taken away from him.
Palermo's attorney told the judge his client has no motivation not to follow the rules if he's released, something done in many other white-collar cases. The magistrate judge was not convinced.
Vinny Palermo has already logged 4 months in county jail. By the time he's sentenced in November, 3 more months, so 7 total months he's been detained. That time will be subtracted from his federal sentence, and the plea deal calls for around 21 months, so that means he would spend an additional 14 months or less behind bars. On your side in Lincoln, Brian Mastery, 6 News.
Again, Palermo will be sentenced in late November. A different federal judge will be doling out the punishment.